Hey there, today I'll show you how to create a professional brochure right inside Google Docs. No design tools, no complicated setup. We'll go through two simple methods, the first one using a table and the second using columns. It's fast, clean, and perfect for printing or sharing online. Let's dive in. First, let's set up the document. Choose the font Roboto, style medium, and size 10. Then rename your file. I'll call mine A4 template just to stay organized. Now go to File, Page Setup. Here's what we need: orientation, landscape paper size of 4 margins. Repeat after me: top 0, bottom 0, left and right 1.5 centimeters perfect. Click OK. Next, scroll down a bit and hit Enter twice. Then go to Insert, Table, and create a 5-column table. Now let's adjust the column width. Select the second column, go to Table Options, Columns, check column width, and set it to 1 centimeter. Now we do the same with the fourth column. We enable column width and also set it to 1 centimeter. Then select the whole table, open Table Options, Row, check minimum row height, and set it to 18 centimeters. Done. Your layout is ready, all margins are even, and the structure fits perfectly for printing. Now let's fill it in a bit. I'll show you how to add images. So place your cursor where you want the picture to appear. Then go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and choose one of your prepared images. Let's move it a little lower, just drag it down. Now I'll add another one, for example, right above the contact section. Same thing, Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and adjust the size so everything looks clean and aligned. Perfect. Now let's remove the borders around the table so they don't show up when printing. Open Table Options, Color, and set border width. 0 point, and that's it. Your first brochure layout is ready. Now let's move to the second method, a bit faster but with fewer layout controls. Go again to File, Page Setup, set landscape orientation, and 1.5 centimeters margins on all sides. Click OK, then open Format, Columns, and choose 3 columns. Now just insert your text, add an image through Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, adjust the size, and you're done. This method is simpler and works great if you need a quick printable design without much formatting. And finally, let's add vertical lines between the columns. Go up to the Format menu, choose Columns, then More Options, and check the box that says Lines Between Columns. Click Apply, and that's it. Now we've got clean dividers between the columns. Looks much more polished. And that's it. Your brochure is done. You've just created 2 clean, printable layouts entirely in Google Docs. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I post new Google Docs design guides every week, and if you want to grab some ready-made templates or support my work, check out my Etsy shop, be.design, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.